The top 7 fruits for reversing muscle loss and gaining muscular mass after age 60. Your body naturally begins to lose muscle around the age of 60. We refer to it as sarcopenia. You may have trouble staying active, move more slowly, or feel weaker. Most people believe that simply protein and exercise are beneficial, but many people are unaware of this. In fact, several fruits can help protect and repair your muscles. Antioxidants, natural sugars, vitamins, and minerals found in some fruits promote blood flow, lower inflammation, enhance digestion, and boost the recovery and strength of your aging muscles. In this video, we'll examine 7 potent fruits that can help you maintain your independence and physical activity after the age of 60, prevent muscle loss, and increase energy. Please hit the like button and provide a comment if you think this video is useful. It truly aids in more people finding this article. Let's get started and discover which fruits your muscles are actually hankering after. Dates are the first. One of the easiest fruits that is frequently forgotten is the date, which is actually one of the greatest foods for older folks to help them regain their energy and build muscle. For thousands of years, people have been consuming these tiny brown fruits for reasons other than their sweet and delectable flavor. Dates are unique because they are nutrient-dense, which directly supports muscle health, particularly for those over 60. Our bodies naturally slow down as we get older, and muscle loss becomes a major problem. Our muscles don't acquire the fuel they require to remain strong because we don't eat as much or exercise as frequently, which is one of the primary causes of this. Dates can help with that. Natural sugars like fructose and glucose, which are abundant in dates, provide the body with a rapid energy boost without the crash that comes with processed sugar. Aging muscles require this constant energy to get through workouts, walks, or even a typical day. Your muscles can expand and regenerate rather than break down when they have enough nutrition. That's not all, though. Potassium, a mineral that is essential to muscular function, is also abundant in dates. Potassium facilitates healthy muscular contraction and relaxation. It's likely that your potassium levels are low if you've ever experienced an uncontrollable twitch or an unexpected cramp in your leg. Dates made that better. Additionally, potassium promotes appropriate blood pressure and fluid balance, both of which are critical for maintaining proper muscular function. Now for something even more amazing. Antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids are abundant in dates. These potent plant-based substances aid in shielding your muscles from oxidative stress-related damage, which exacerbates with aging. Inside your body, oxidative stress is like rust. It gradually deteriorates your muscles as well as other tissues and cells. Antioxidants correct that, allowing your muscles to heal more quickly and maintain their strength for longer. Additionally, remember to take vitamin B6. A tiny but significant amount of this vitamin, which aids in the breakdown and utilization of protein, can be found in dates. Getting adequate B6 helps your body convert the food you eat into real power, since protein is the primary building block of muscle. Therefore, you're not just enjoying a sugary snack when you go on a few dates per day. You're providing your muscles with the resources they require to grow, heal, and maintain your mobility far into old age. Pomegranates are number 2. When it comes to maintaining healthy, strong muscles after the age of 60, they are among the most potent fruits you can consume. The fruit that lies behind those vivid red seeds is nutrient-dense and supports your body in ways that most people aren't even aware of. The ability of pomegranates to enhance blood flow is one of its greatest advantages. And for senior citizens, that is crucial. It becomes more difficult for oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles as we age, since blood circulation naturally slows down. Over time, that translates into more soreness, slower healing, and diminished strength. However, pomegranates are a good source of polyphenols, including collagen. Your body produces nitric oxide, a naturally occurring chemical that relaxes and widens your blood vessels with the aid of these plant ingredients. More oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscle tissue when blood flows more freely, which promotes muscle growth and repair. Simply, stronger muscles result from improved blood flow. This fruit could become your closest buddy if you want to be active yet frequently feel exhausted or painful for days later. According to research, pomegranate juice can truly aid lessen muscular soreness and hasten healing when consumed before and after exercise. For those over 60 who are making every effort to maintain their independence and level of activity, but who might require additional time to recover from a stroll, a class, or even a mild workout that is a big concern, you can begin to feel stronger and have less discomfort if you incorporate pomegranate into your routine. Pomegranates offer still another significant advantage. They contain a lot of vitamin C, This vitamin aids in the production of collagen, a protein that maintains the strength and flexibility of muscles, tendons, and joints. Your muscles may feel tight and become more prone to damage if you don't have enough collagen in them. There's more. Natural nitrates included in pomegranates aid in the more effective usage of oxygen by your muscles. This implies that you could be able to move for longer periods of time without feeling exhausted, and that you might experience less fatigue when engaging in physical exercise. These small things all add up. Therefore, you're not only savoring a tasty fruit when you eat a pomegranate or drink some juice, you're giving your muscles the nourishment they require to grow, repair, and maintain their strength. 3. Grapes. Although they may appear to be only a delicious treat, grapes are among the best fruits for promoting muscle strength and energy, particularly as we age. Resveratrol is a naturally occurring substance found in red and purple grapes in particular. This antioxidant helps improve the operation of something called mitochondria, which makes it a kind of secret weapon for your muscles. Consider mitochondria to be your cell's internal batteries. They produce the energy required for your muscles to contract, recover, and expand. However, these batteries begin to degrade with age. Muscles feel fatigued more readily and recover more slowly since they aren't producing as much energy as they once did. Resveratrol provides your muscles with the energy they require to function by preserving and replenishing these energy centers. If you're attempting to maintain your independence and level of activity after 60, that's a major concern. With a water level of more than 80%, grapes are also very hydrating. It's simple to forget to drink enough water as we become older, and dehydration can catch us off guard and result in discomfort, stiffness, and cramping in our muscles. Consuming grapes keeps your body naturally hydrated, which maintains the smooth operation of your muscles and improves your post-activity mood. Additionally, grapes include vital nutrients including vitamin C, which aids in the production of collagen, the protein that maintains the strength and flexibility of muscles and connective tissues. Additionally, they contain vitamin K, which promotes strong bones, which are essential for proper muscle function. Your muscles cannot function as they should if you don't have a strong base. Flavonoids are natural substances found in grapes that also reduce inflammation. Grapes help control inflammation, which over time can gradually erode muscle. They also include manganese, a mineral that aids in the body's energy production and protein utilization. 2 things that are necessary for both muscle growth and repair. You are thereby providing your body with the resources it requires to remain robust and energized with each handful of grapes. Figs. Number 4. When it comes to promoting muscular health, particularly after the age of 60, figs are a true hidden gem that may not receive as much attention as some other fruits. Figs' high fiber content is one of the main reasons they're so beneficial. Fiber is necessary to maintain intestinal health. And you might be shocked to hear how crucial strong muscles are to gut health. Our digestion naturally slows down as we become older. This implies that our bodies may have trouble absorbing the vital nutrients like protein and minerals that muscles require. Consuming fruits high in fiber, such as figs, can improve the function of your digestive system. In this way, your muscles receive the energy and building blocks they require for growth and repair. Fiber, however, is only the beginning. Minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are essential for the proper function of your muscles, are also abundant in figs. Because it facilitates muscular contraction, calcium is essential. You may feel weak or find it difficult to move about if you don't get enough calcium. In contrast, magnesium promotes protein synthesis, which is how your body creates and repairs muscle tissue and helps relax your muscles. These minerals work together to maintain healthy muscle function, reducing the likelihood of cramps, spasms, and that rigid sensation that many elderly people are all too familiar with. Furthermore, figs' inherent sweetness makes them ideal for replenishing glycogen. Your muscles' stored energy is depleted during any type of workout or activity. It's critical to replenish glycogen as soon as possible because it speeds up muscle recovery and lessens tiredness. Moreover, figs include antioxidants, vitamin K, and vitamin B6, all of which support general health and muscle rehabilitation. While vitamin B6 assists your body in converting the protein you consume into energy and building blocks for muscle, vitamin K promotes the health of your bones and muscles. By including figs in your daily diet, you're not only improving your digestion but also directly promoting your muscles' capacity to recover, maintain their strength, and enable you to move with ease as you age. 5. Pineapple. In fact, it's a very effective way to reduce inflammation and aid in muscle recovery, particularly as you age. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, is one of its most notable qualities. It naturally lowers inflammation in your body. For those over 60, this is especially crucial because persistent inflammation can impede muscle repair and prolong discomfort following any activity. Bromelain functions by dissolving proteins that may result in pain and edema. Thus, it lessens stiffness and soreness in the muscles. Eating pineapple after exercise might hasten healing and aid in the quicker restoration of damaged muscle tissue, whether you're active or attempting to continue moving. But there are more advantages besides bromelain. Vitamin C, an essential component your body utilizes to create collagen, is also abundant in pineapple. Your muscles, tendons, and ligaments remain strong and flexible thanks to collagen, which reduces the risk of injury and allows you to continue being active pain-free. Additionally, pineapple contains manganese, a mineral that helps your muscle cells produce energy. This indicates that your muscles are receiving the cellular fuel they require, allowing them to operate harder and recover more quickly. The fact that pineapple is high in water and natural sugars is another factor that makes it a fantastic option for senior citizens. After physical exertion, these help you stay hydrated and refuel, two things your body truly needs to recover fast. All of these advantages make pineapple more than just a delicious snack. It's a tasty, natural method to battle inflammation, lessen muscle discomfort, and help your muscles remain strong and healthy as you age. Adding pineapple to your diet can have a significant impact on the way your muscles feel and recover each day. Pruning is number 6. Fighting sarcopenia, a loss of muscle mass, and osteoporosis, or weakening of the bones, are two of the main problems facing seniors. Prunes are beneficial in both ways. They are rich in potent antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a primary cause of the gradual deterioration and weakness of our muscles. Prunes assist maintain muscle strength and hasten the recovery process following physical activity by lowering the stress. However, the advantages don't end there. Vitamin K and boron are two essential minerals found in prunes that are crucial for maintaining healthy, strong bones. Stronger bones help reduce the chance of fractures and falls, which is important as we age and give your muscles a firm base on which to function. Your muscles need less effort to maintain your motions when your bones are in good condition. This implies that you can continue to be more independent and active for longer. Prunes also support your digestive system, which is another benefit. They are a natural method of maintaining a healthy digestive system, which may seem straightforward, but is crucial since healthy digestion allows your body to better absorb the nutrients your muscles require, particularly calcium, potassium, and protein. The building blocks for muscle contraction, repair, and general function are these nutrients. Even the healthiest food can be inadequate if it is not well absorbed. In addition, prunes include potassium, which is essential for healthy muscle contractions and preserving fluid equilibrium in the body, and vitamin A, which aids in tissue healing. When combined, these nutrients promote the strength, flexibility, and readiness of your muscles to support your everyday activities. Prunes are beneficial for more than just digestion. It's an easy, natural method to maintain your bones and muscles strong so you may continue to live a strong, self-assured life. 7. Pears. Pears may appear to be a straightforward fruit for daily consumption, yet they have some potent anti-aging properties. They are a simple and delightful snack due to their mild sweetness and crisp texture, but their true power is found in what they do to your body. Flavonoids, which are naturally occurring antioxidants found in abundance in pears, help shield your muscle fibers from aging and daily stress. Pears protect these fibers, which helps your muscles heal and remain stronger for longer by slowing down the breakdown of muscles that usually occurs more quickly after the age of 60. In addition to protecting your muscles, pears also combat inflammation, which is one of the most subtle factors that contributes to gradual muscle loss. Pear polyphenols aid in the reduction of chronic inflammation, which can subtly weaken muscles without you noticing. Pears are particularly crucial for seniors who wish to preserve muscle health and continue to move without being constrained by pain or stiffness because of their anti-inflammatory properties. In addition, pears include vital nutrients like vitamin C, which is essential for the synthesis of collagen. In order to prevent injuries and feel comfortable continuing to be active, collagen keeps your muscles, joints, and tendons strong and flexible. Copper, a mineral found in pears, aids in the delivery of oxygen to your muscles, providing them with the energy they require to function and heal. They also include a lot of fiber, which promotes digestive health. Additionally, a healthy gut allows your body to absorb the minerals and protein that your muscles require. All things considered, pears are a mild yet effective fruit that promotes muscle strength in a number of ways. In addition to protecting your muscle fibers, they also lower damaging inflammation, increase collagen synthesis, enhance oxygen delivery, and facilitate healthy digestion. The best part is that they are simple to incorporate into your regular diet and taste fantastic. Regularly eating pears can be an easy way to feel stronger and rebuild muscle, which will help you maintain your independence and enjoy life beyond 60. As demonstrated, these 7 fruits are not only delicious but also effective allies for promoting muscle growth and reducing the rate of muscle loss after the age of 60. Every fruit adds something unique to the table, from the pineapple that reduces inflammation to the dates that give you more energy. You're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to remain strong, heal more quickly, and continue to move with confidence when you incorporate them into your regular meals. Keep in mind that maintaining your muscles requires more than simply your diet. It's about incorporating these minor adjustments into your daily routine. You can feel stronger, more balanced, and prepared to fully enjoy life when you combine these fruits with mild exercise. Please click the like button if you thought this video was useful. The channel benefits greatly from it. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next.